Fossil Creek is a beautiful place. It's sacred to Native Americans here. A few years ago, a fire destroyed the vegetation in this area. We're here to do the clearing so that Emory oak can resprout. Emory oak is very important to Native Americans.
Emory oak acorns have been used in our traditions for a long time. We use it for different types of cuisines that we have. We use it traditionally in traditional dances and things that we do on a reservation.
There's a lot of dead wood here. It's choking up the Emory oak from sprouting through. The work that we're proceeding on is basically all manual labor. This wood that we are hauling out is being donated to the community so they can have firewood for the cold winter.
The project here that we're working on is just a piece of a larger Emory oak restoration within Arizona. So there is a lot more work to be done.
I'm proud to be a part of this Emory oak restoration. This is about more than just trees. It restores tradition and gives hope to the Native community. I'm happy to work with Resolution Copper. They care about the environment and they want this work to be done right.
They selected us due to the fact that we're a Native American crew and we know how important this restoration work is.
Once we're done, the Forest Service and the college team will come in, evaluate, and replant the trees. It's really thanks to Resolution Copper that this project is happening. In the future, because of our hard work, this area will be used for harvesting acorns again.